Students, today we are going to start new chapter trigonometric ratios of multiple and submultiple angles. Okay, trigonometric ratios of multiple and submultiple angles. So definition: what is the multiple and submultiple angles? Suppose if A is an angle, suppose capital A is an angle, then the angles 2A, 3A, 4A, dash dash, so on, means multiples of A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 2 into A, 3 into A, 4 into A, and so on, are called multiple angles of A. Multiple angles of a angle A. And the angles A by 2, comma, A by 3, comma, A by 4, dash dash, so on, are called submultiple angles of A, capital. Okay, multiple angles means 2A, 3A, 4A, and so on are called multiple angles, and A by 2, A by 3, A by 4, and so on are called submultiple angles of angle A. We have formulas for 2A and 3A formulas, sin 2A, cos 2A, tan 2A formula, sin 3A, cos 3A, sin 3A formula, and for A by 2 also formulas. And formulas and problems. We will look up at the problems. So first formulas, sin 2A formula. What is the sin 2A? Sin 2A equal to 2 sin A into cos A, that equal to, that can be written in terms of tan, 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Two formulas. Here, two formulas, 2 sin A cos A or 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Sin 2A. How this formula came means sin of A plus B formula. In sin of A plus B formula, substitute B equal to A plus A to A. We get sin 2A, and simplify, we get the answer. Okay. Proof is not necessary for us, only formula. By add this formula, sin 2A equal to 2 sin A into cos A, that equal to, in terms of tan, 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. And next, cos 2A formula, cos 2A equal to cos square A minus sin square A. This will comes in cos of A plus B formula, put B equal to A, we get this formula. Cos square A minus sin square A, or simplification, 2 cos square A minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sin square A, or in terms of tan, 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. These are the four formulas of cos 2A. Okay. Cos 2A formulas, cos 2A equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Second one, 2 cos square A minus 1. Third one, 1 minus 2 sin square A, or 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A, by add these formulas. And from this, if you take this formula, I am taking this, relevant, depending on the problems, you have to take formulas. If you take this formula, cos 2A equal to 2 cos square A minus 1, if this minus 1 comes to this side, plus, so it is 1 plus cos 2A, and if this 2 comes to LHS means by 2, that is cos square A equal to 1 plus cos 2A by 2. If you take this one, sin square A equal to, we get 1 minus cos 2A by 2. Okay, these are two results, sin square A, cos square A. Cos square A equal to 1 plus cos 2A by 2, one result, and sin square A equal to 1 minus cos 2A by 2. These two results are comes from this formula, cos square A minus sin square A, 2 cos square A minus 1. From this 2 cos square A minus 1, we get cos square A equal to, from this sin square A equal to. Two results. Okay. Next, tan 2A formula, 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. Tan 2A formula is 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. These are three formulas. First one, sin 2A, cos 2A, and tan 2A. Next, 3A formulas. Sin 3A. Sin 3A equal to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Sin 3A equal to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Cos 3A equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. and tan 3a equal to 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. Okay, 1 minute. Put it open. Okay. Sin 3a equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a, cos 3a equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a, and tan 3a equal to 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. Okay, these are the 3a formulas. And from this formula, sin cube equal to and here cos cube equal to. These two formulas, we have sin cube formula, cos cube formula. Simplification note. Sin cube a equal to 1 by 4 3 sin a minus sin 3a, and cos cube a equal to 1 by 4 into cos 3a plus 3 cos a. Okay, these two formulas, sin cube a and sin cos cube a. These are multiple angle formulas, sin 2a, cos 2a, tan 2a, and sin 3a, cos 3a, tan 3. Tan 3a. Now to buy at these formulas. And next, theta by 2 formulas. Sin theta equal to 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Okay. We have the formula, for example, sin 2a equal to what? 2 sin theta into sin a into cos. In this, substitute 2a place lo theta, substitute theta, 2a equal to theta. 2a equal to theta means, what is the a value? A equal to theta by 2. Means in place, if you replacing 2a by theta, then a by theta by 2. A nila replace cheyali, theta by 2 to replace cheyali. Then formula sin theta equal to 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. These formulas only. 2a place lo theta substitute cheyali, a place lo theta by 2 substitute cheyali. Then formula becomes sin theta equal to 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2, or 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Next, cos theta equal to cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2, or 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2, or 1 minus tan square theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. This is cos theta formula. Next, tan theta formula, 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 minus tan square theta by 2. These are the formulas. Okay, sin theta formula, cos theta formula, tan theta formula in terms of theta by 2. Okay, we discussed. And sin 2a formula, cos 2a formula, tan 2a formula, sin 3a formula, cos 3a formula, and tan 3a formula. Okay, these formulas, based on this we have the problems. Okay. First one, find the values of 4 cos cube 20 minus 3 cos 20 degrees. 4 into cos cube 20 degrees minus 3 into cos 20 degrees. So the given question problem is of the form 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. A means here 20 degrees. 4 into cos cube a minus 3 into cos a, this equal to what? Cos 3a. Okay, we know that the formula cos 3a equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a, it is in the form where a equal to 20, that equal to cos 3a, therefore cos 3 into 20, cos 60, cos 60 means what? Value 1 by 2, it is the answer. Next problem, 3 into sin 10 degrees minus 4 into sin cube 10 degrees. We know that it is of the form 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. A means what? 10 degrees. 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Here a equal to 10 degrees, that equal to sin 3a. A equal to 10. Therefore sin of 3 into 10, that is sin 30. 3 into 10 means sin 30. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2. Direct answer. Okay. It is directly, we don't know the 10 degrees values, so we have to convert it into the form of sin 3a. 3 into 10, 30. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2. Next, homework problems. 8 cos cube 20 degrees minus 6 cos 20 degrees. Okay. Here you have to take first 2 common. 2 కామన్ తీస్తే ఏమవుతుంది 4 ఇంటూ కాస్ క్యూబ్ 20 degrees minus 3 into cos 20 degrees, it is the formula. And similarly fourth one, 4 into cos cube 10 degrees minus 3 into cos 10 degrees. Answers are given 1 and root 3 by 2. We have to get third problem answer is 1 and fourth problem answer is root 3 by 2. Do the homework. Okay. Next type of problems. If sin A equal to 4 by 5, given what sin A equal to 4 by 5, we have to find sin 2A. What is the sin 2A formula? 2 sin A into cos A. Sin 2A formula what? 2 sin A into cos A. Already sin A is given. Okay, sin A is given. We have to find out cos A. Cos A means how to find out cos A. Sin A, given sin A equal to 4 by 5 and cos A equal to square root of 1 minus sin square A. Cos A equal to square root of 1 minus sin square A, that is square root of 1 minus sin square A means 4 by 5 whole square means 16 by 25. 4 square means 16, 5 square means 25. 16 by 25. So LCM is 25. So 25 minus 16, square root of 25 minus 16. 25 minus 16 means 9 by 25. Square root of 9 by 25. Root 9 means 3. Root 25 means 5. That is cos A equal to 3 by 5. We got it? Cos A equal to 3 by 4. Substitute this in the sin 2A formula. So sin 2A. Sin 2A equal to, we have 2 sin A into cos A, and sin A equal to 4 by 5, cos A equal to 3 by 5. So substitute values 2 into 4 by 5 into 3 by 5. 2 into 4 8, 8 into 3 24, 5 by 5 into 5 means 25. That is 24 by 25 is the sin 2A value. So here it is given sin A is given, we need to find sin 2A. Sin 2A means 2 into sin A cos A. So first we need to find cos A, then substitute in the formula. Next problem, same type of problem. Sin A equal to 3 by 5, we need to find sin 2A and cos 2A. So given sin A equal to 3 by 5, so cos A equal to square root of 1 minus sin square A. So square root of 1 minus sin square means 3 by 5 whole square, 9 by 25, LCM 25. So 25 minus 9 by 25, 25 minus 9 means 16 by 25, square root of 16 by 25 means 4 by 5. That is cos A equal to 4 by 5. Then we need to find sin 2A, cos 2A. What is the sin 2A formula? 2 sin A into cos A. Sin 2A equal to 2 sin A into cos A. That is 2 into 3 by 5. Sin A means 3 by 5. Cos A means 4 by 5. So 2 into 3 into 4. 6 4 is 24 and 5 into 5 25. 24 by 25 is the sin 2A. And cos 2A formula, we can use any one of the formula, cos square A minus sin square A, or 2 cos square A minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sin square A. I am using here 1 minus 2 sin square A. Okay. 1 minus 2 sin means 3 by 5. 3 by 5 whole square means 9 by 5, 25. So simplification, 1 by 2 into 9, 18 by 25. LCM is 25. 25 minus 18 by 25. 25 minus 18 means 7 by 25 is cos 2A value. Okay, this is cos 2A value. In this, it is given, sin 3A is given, we find out cos A value 4 by 5, then sin 2A formula, cos 2A formula. Next, homework problems. Next problem, not homework. If tan A equal to 5 by 12, then find sin 2A, cos 2A, tan 2A. Tan A is given, we have to find sin 2A, cos 2A, tan 2A. How? Means sin 2A formula in terms of tan A, cos 2A formula in terms of tan A, tan 2A formula in terms of tan A. 3 formulas in terms of tan only. Direct substitution and simplification. So given first one, given tan A equal to 5 by 12, we have the formula sin 2A in terms of tan A. 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Sin 2A equal to 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. So substitute 2 into tan A. Tan A means 5 by 12. 1 plus 5 by 12 whole square. Tan square A means 5 by 12 whole square. That is 2 into 5, 10. 10 by 12, 1 plus 5 by 12 whole square means 25 by 144. 5 square means 24, 12 square means 144. LCM, you have to take LCM. 10 by 12 numerator same. Here 144 is the LCM. 144 plus 25. That is 10 by 12 by 144 plus 25. 169 by 144. It will reciprocal 10 by 12 into 144 by 169. 12 1 12, 12 144. 10 into 12, 120. 1 into 169, 169. So 120 by 169 is the answer. It will be reciprocal. డినామినేటర్లో ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఏమవుతుంది, రెసిప్రోకల్గా చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ cos 2a. cos 2a is formula 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. So 1 minus tan a means 5 by 12 whole square means 5 by 12 whole square. 1 plus 5 by 12 whole square. 5 by 12 whole square means 25 by 144. That is 1 minus 25 by 144 by 1 plus 25 by 144. So LCM 144 in the numerator. 144 minus 25 by 144. Denominator also 144 is the LCM. So 144 plus 25 by 144. 144 minus 25. That is 119 by 144. Okay. 119 by 144 and 144 plus 25, 169 by 144. This 144 cancel. 119 by 169. 119 by 169 is the answer. Only substitution and simplification. Formula cos 2a formula 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a and substitute and simplify. Next tan 2a. Tan 2a equal to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Tan 2a equal to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Substitution 2 into tan a means 5 by 12. 1 minus tan square 5 by 12 whole square means 25 by 144. So 2 into 5 by 12 means 10 by 12 and here LCM 144. 144 minus 25 by 144. So 10 by 12 and 144 minus 25, 119 by 144. 119 by 144. So it will be reciprocal. Denominator also same. 10 by 12 into 144 by 119. 12 1 12, 12 144. 10 into 12, 120 by 119. 119. 120 by 119 is tan 2a value. Okay. Here the given tan a is given. We have to find out sin 2a, cos 2a, tan 2a. Means sin 2a in terms of tan formula, cos 2a in terms of tan formula, tan 2a in terms of tan a లో ఫార్ములాలో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి సింప్లిఫై చేయండి. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ హోంవర్క్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఇఫ్ tan theta equal to 2, tan theta equal to 2, then find sin 2 theta and cos 2 theta. సో ఫార్ములాస్ ఆల్రెడీ ఇన్ ద ప్రీవియస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఏ టీటాకి బదులు ఏ ఉంది, ఆ ఫార్ములాస్ అప్లై చేయాలి. సైన్ 2 theta వాల్యూ 4/5, we get sin cos 2 theta ఫార్ములా minus 3/5. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్, if tan a equal to 3/4, then find sin 2a cos 2a. Okay, same last problem solution. Instead of 5/12 here 3/4, instead of 5/12 here 2. In this second problem we get sin 2a value 24/25 and cos 2a value is 7/25. Okay, cross verify the answers, find out the solution and verify the answers. Next, fourth one, if tan a equal to b by a, tan a equal to small b by a, then prove that a into cos 2a plus b into sin 2a equal to small a. You have to try this one. How means cos 2a. Cos 2a formula. What is the cos 2a formula? 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. Substitute. Sin 2a 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Substitute tan a value and simplify, you get answer. Next, fifth problem. Sin a plus cos a equal to 1, then find sin 2a. Here no value is given, sin a plus cos a equal to 1, this equation is given, we have to find sin 2a. How means? You have to square on both sides and simplify. Both sides ఏం చేయాలి, స్క్వేర్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది, ఎల్హెచ్ఎస్ ఇన్ ఎల్హెచ్ఎస్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఏ ప్లస్ బి హోల్ స్క్వేర్ మీన్స్ సైన్ స్క్వేర్ ఏ ప్లస్ కాస్ స్క్వేర్ ఏ ప్లస్ 2 sin a cos a equal to 1. 2ab, a square plus b square plus 2ab formula and simplify, you get the answer sin 2a. Okay, sin 2a answer వస్తుంది మీకు. Okay, do the homework problems, and if you have any doubts please send me a message or call me. Okay, thank you. And next class we will do the another type of problems, and if you have any doubts please call me or send the message. Thank you.